Peace of Mind and Body 21. I had a thought which I wanted to share. It is commonly accepted that in order to obtain peace of mind and body, one must obtain an organized and balanced mental and physical state. For example, an organized and balanced state is like a library of books which are organized in a good order, which allows one to find the book they desire easily. Whereas, an unorganized and imbalanced state is like an unorganized library of books which makes finding a specific book difficult and stressful. An organized and balanced state of mind and body allows one to place everything and everyone in their appropriate place in one's life, whereby they avoid being extreme in some aspects of their life while neglecting other aspects. This leads to peace of mind and body. But it is important to note that one cannot achieve this outcome while following society, fashion, and culture, as these things are fickle by nature and often swing from one extreme to another. For example, what was considered deviant behavior a few years ago is considered the norm today. What society deemed the most important thing, such as getting married, a few generations ago, is now being dismissed as a waste of time and energy. Not so long ago, society would urge people to be self-sacrificing and prioritize the feelings and happiness of others over oneself. Whereas, nowadays, society urges people to only care about fulfilling their own desires, and ignore the criticism of others whether it is constructive or not. Meaning, one should only consider their own happiness under every circumstance. The examples are endless of how society, social media, fashion, and culture have always swung from one extreme to another. This attitude will always prevent one from obtaining an organized and balanced state of mind and body, which leads to peace of mind and body. The only way one can avoid swinging from extremes is by learning and acting on Islamic teachings, as they are tailored for human nature, something which is timeless, and these teachings do not sway with fickle things like society, social media, fashion, and culture. When one holds firmly onto Islamic teachings, they will place everything and everyone in their correct place within their life, and avoid being extreme in some aspects of their life while neglecting other things. This will ensure they obtain an organized and balanced state, which in turn leads to peace of mind and body in both worlds. Chapter 16 and Nal, verse 97.
Whoever does righteousness, whether male or female, while he is a believer, we will surely cause him to live a good life, and we will surely give them their reward in the hereafter according to the best of what they used to do.